Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a video. And there's a reason for that. Last Thursday I came down with something, I don't know what it was. I don't know, all I can say is it was like somebody took my stomach and just tied it up all in knots. It's like having a Charlie horse in your stomach. Anyway, but I thought for today's video that I would just show you some of the plants that were in our some of the plants that are in our grow room, and some clips. We did do a little bit of planting, not much, but a little bit over the weekend, Sunday night, and kind of give you a montage of that stuff and let it go for now. They wanted to plant a pineapple, so we're gonna see if we can get it to sprout. We'll have half a bucket and see what happens. Now we need to water. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if it's your first time here, and click on that notification bell for more videos like this about our family. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.
We don't want to the spiders.
Is that enough? No. You barely got the bottom of the barrel here.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Dad, I gotta smooth it out again.